Bonjour! Hello everyone. I am in Paris and today is my first day in Paris. It is almost night time here and I got here last night and today I went out shopping in the morning. Yeah, so let's see what I got in day one in Paris and let's do the unboxing. I thought let me share it with you all and let's see what I bought on day one in Paris. So here is the item which I bought and I came for this to Paris besides Eiffel Tower. So yeah, this is the packet. I got a bag from Goyard, obviously, as you can see, and I'll share my experience with you all as well. How was my experience shopping in Goyard? That I'll do in my next video. Stay tuned, everybody. You should know few facts about Goyard when you come here to shop in Paris. As you all know, Goyard has very limited stores all over the world. I think not all over the world, in few countries, and very limited stock. And yeah, so I could score one bag today because this is what was in my wish list from long time, not very long, although recently Goyard started growing in me recently. So okay, let's go and do the unboxing. So are you guys excited? Hey, let's unbox and let's see what I got from Goyard. Any guesses? So yeah, so they also give you in Paris it rain unpredictably, so they cover your packet with plastic before giving. So yeah, let's go and unbox. All right, so let me tear it. Ta-da! So here the bag is inside and this is some kind of paper they have given. And are you guys excited? This is my first Goyard because in India we don't have Goyard. And in Paris I bought it from the very famous 233 on Saint Andrew store. And I'll make a full video on my experience shopping in Goyard, what all things you should keep in mind before visiting the store. So I'll share everything in that other video. So meanwhile I can tell you, okay, they'll, if you want your tax refund, they'll give you something like this from the airport. You can you go and scan and take 12% tax return if you want it in your card or by cash. You have both the option. If you take it in card, you'll get 12% refund. If you'll take it in cash, you'll get only 10% refund. So this is the invoice. They give you the invoice and this thing to scan it in the airport. So let's not waste any more time and let's see what I got. Oh my god, here is she. I got myself a mini Anjou, everyone. This was on my wish list and I wanted in red color, and they didn't have the red color, but I could see the red color in other form of bags, but I eventually liked orange more. So this is how the bag looks. Inside it's leather. It comes with one pouch. let's go and do unboxing. The color is so pretty. Oh my god. So yeah, here, this is the pouch. The pouch has linen lining inside. It doesn't have the leather lining. So here's the pouch. Inside it is leather because you can reverse your bag, but I like this way. I don't want to reverse my bag. I like my bag this way only. So yeah, this is the bag I got from Goyard, and this was on my wish list. So if you want to have a closer look on the canvas is the quality looks really good, and the rest is leather, and it has a tag here. Inside you have quite the space. Yeah, so let's I'll cut it later with the scissor. So this is how it comes, you guys. You have to cut it with a scissor, which I don't have with me right now. I'm in a hotel room, and I just wanted to unbox the joy with you all. And yeah, this is what I got from Goyard, and I'll show